Hi, Ken from MakeTech here. In this video we're going to have a look at a new feature. Well, it's not necessarily new, but it's more available, more accessible. The Automate in Fusion 360 is now available as like a free beta trial thing. So it's in the toolbar, you just click on that, and then I've already accepted it, but you can just accept to be part of their trial program. And here's one I prepared earlier. So yeah, this weird organic-ish looking shape joining these three bodies here was one of the options that I was presented with. So of course, as soon as I get a new feature, I want to try and test its limits. And so what I'm going to do is I've got one body there, and now I'm going to use this organic-ish body that it's created as my avoid feature, or my, what is it, avoid? Yeah, bodies to avoid. So yeah, let's test that out. So got faces to connect, that one, and that one, and bodies to avoid. So on the first one I just had the cylinder there, and yeah, that's how that first L-shaped one got created. So generate shapes. Now this takes a little while. While that's generating, I will be quiet and we'll do a time lapse, and you'll be able to see them generate down here on the side. Okay, so they're all done. It's interesting, there's a couple here that are similar, and it's actually interesting as well that they're similar to the original one. So if we look at alternative 6, that first one I did was actually alternative 6 in the first batch as well. But yeah, in this case alternative 6 and alternative 3 are similar. Looks like 6 might be a bit leaner in mass. It's got some voids in there. It's interesting. Alright, we'll just say okay for now with that. Literally just playing around with this for the first time and seeing what it's all about. Okay, so that was a reasonably quick process, and I'll turn off these origins. I think that's the constructions. There we go. Yeah, how cool is that? That's amazing. Alright, I'm going to turn off that middle body as well. Which one was that? That'll be number 7, I guess. There we go. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty amazing. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I don't know, I don't really have much more to say. You can see for yourself yeah, how much of a time-saving awesome tool that is, and well done to Fusion 360 for giving us a free usage of that in the toolbar. They did actually have a free trial thing going with all of their plugins a while back. I saw a notification for that. Unfortunately, I didn't have time to dive into that. I've got a few projects going at the moment, and that is also why I haven't done many YouTube videos at the moment. I've still got to catch up on 3 videos from Instagram posts. That's solar powered off-grid device, vacuum work holding with 3D printing, and this really cool 3D printed tool, which I'll save all the details for that for the video, because that's a really cool one as well. But yeah, as I said, very busy at the moment, and I will try and get through that as I can. But I just saw this feature, this tool pop up in the toolbar, and I just had to do a quick video because I was pretty excited about that. So I'll leave it there. Not too formal for this one, but I hope you found that useful and entertaining. Highly recommend playing with that tool and see what you can come up with. Alright, that's it for this one. Cheers, bye.